It's getting to the time of year that we seem to either love or hate winter. In the garden world, it can become less exciting, but it's great for citrus lovers as it's when most citrus trees start fruiting. So today I'm going to be picking some oranges, mandarins and lemons. Let's get picking. So I have two orange trees here behind me. This one right here, the oranges are ready to pick and you can see they're actually starting to fall to the ground. But this orange tree over here is a different variety. So this one is not ready yet. The oranges are still quite green. They just won't be very sweet and very nice. So I'm gonna start on this tree here. And this tree is an early June fruiting tree, whereas the other one fruits a bit later, more like August, and the oranges actually stay on the tree really up until about January or February here, which is mid to later summer here in Australia, which is quite funny, but it's fantastic. So I'm sure everyone knows the proper way to pick oranges and lemons and all these kind of things, but I'll give you a quick demonstration if you don't. Basically, just grab the fruit and gently twist it until it comes off. You shouldn't be pulling the fruit off too hard because that could break the branches and make other fruit fall off. If it's ripe, it should easily come off. So I have plenty of oranges for now. I can always come back later and pick some more. I don't want to pick too many at once because, you know, if I don't eat them, they'll just go bad. Here's my little collection. Let's move on down to the lemon tree. Now I love lemons. Lemons I think are amazing in cooking, and I really like this tree because it fruits generally a whole year round. So there's two fruiting seasons. Lemon trees are a bit different to a lot of other citrus trees. They do fruit for multiple seasons depending on the variety. Now for those of you wondering, I do have to obviously look after these trees a little bit because citrus trees can be quite susceptible to pests and even diseases. More so like little bugs that like to eat the baby or the new growing fruit. So at the end of winter, early September, that's when the citrus trees start to grow their new fruit, and they're just little baby like buds, and these bugs like to come and eat these, and then if they eat them all, you won't have any oranges or any citrus fruit in winter. So I spray some pest oil on these a few times a year, so that keeps them off. And also some bugs like to eat the new growing leaves. These will really impact the fruiting and growth of your trees, so I really do recommend it. I'm sure there's other products out there, but yeah, it's a bit of a tricky one. I've tried, you know, infusing chili or garlic or different things in water and spraying them, but I haven't had too much success. So I guess if anyone has any ideas, but for now I'm just using some pest oil. So here we are at the mandarin tree, and really out of all the citrus trees, this tree, it's pretty old now, but it doesn't fruit that well anymore. It's got some small fruit here, as you can see, which I'll just pick a few. But yeah, I really like mandarins in that they're easy because you could just walk up to the tree, which I do sometimes. I can just pick one off and peel it apart and just eat it. It's really great for that kind of thing. So I'm just gonna pick a few and then I'll be done with my fruit picking. And here we go. I picked some fruit, which is lovely, and it smells really good too. I can smell that citrus flavor from the mandarins and the orange and lemon. Anyway, thank you for watching my fruit picking video. I'll see you guys soon.